Hi everyone, so I'm at Home Depot and you can tell I'm already in plant withdrawal. I like these Kalanchoa and I was doing some reading and I think I am going to go the succulent type route for my porch, and I'm going to explain why. They like to be dry between waterings, and watering my porch plants is very difficult in the summer because it dries out so fast. So if I could have a low maintenance plant in my window box and hanging baskets, they won't die halfway through the season because they like the dry soil. So I think I'm gonna do this spring, summer. So I'm going to do more research on the plants, but I like this because of the different colors it has. There's pink and yellow, light pink, white, orange, so they would look fantastic. I don't know how big they go, so I'm going to do some research. There's also these cyclamens. I wonder if these do well as well. I did plant this one in my window box a couple years ago, and it did fantastic, and it actually cascaded over the railing and it was so beautiful. So that kind of makes sense. Let's see what else they have. They have this Dracaena. I wonder if I could put this like in a hanging basket and some flowers around it. That would look nice. And there's also this one, Peperomia. I don't know, I have to research, but I like the color on this too. There's this Fittonia. Oh, I like this too. That would be pretty. I gotta do some research and see, but I think that is my plan. That's my plan, because my vegetable garden, I remember watering it and everything, but the front of my house, on my porch, my hanging baskets and my window baskets, they die halfway through summer because I forget about them. It gets too hot, the pots aren't big enough, and they drain really, like they dry out really fast. But plants like these love dry soil, so I think it's going to be perfect. That's another type of Dracaena. I like this one. I like the colors. The yellow. Ivy. I've done ivy before and it does well on my porch. Makes sense now. That's ivy. That's ivy, but what's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, it says ivy too, but it looks different. Doesn't it look different? Maybe it's just a different type of ivy. I like this. Got a aloe plant, but I couldn't find
Is that the one you need?
the cactus mix, but this is fast draining, so I'm hoping this will be fine.
Where'd you get?
I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.